Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I totally lied and I'm making another video. um, I have a very small haul from Spotlight. We went to my auntie's house for a little kind of Christmas gathering, me, my sister and our kids. And she has got, she lives over near Spotlight at Everton Park there. And it's a lot bigger than the Spotlight that we've got here. And I'm actually blaming this on Steph. If you haven't seen any videos, I'll leave a link below. She's my creative place, or is it space? No, I'm sure it's my creative place. And she did a whole video where she went and got some things from Spotlight, and this was what I really liked from her whole video. So I went to find it. I only found the pattern paper. I didn't find, she had all the stickers and the ephemera. Couldn't find any of that. So okay, so I did get, because Vicki Boutin is one of my favorites at the moment, and I'm really loving Print Shop. I've got a lot of the Print Shop papers in some recent Kitaholic kits. I couldn't tell you which months they were, but yeah, so I grabbed the 200 piece Print Shop paper repack, and I didn't realize, because there's 200 pieces in there, but I didn't realize that it was like ephemera and stickers. So that was an awesome little bonus when I got home, when I was having a closer look at it. So that's what you get in there, and they're the stickers down there. So love Vicki. So there was that one. There was no sale on that one. I just saw that and I grabbed it. This one, I wish I got 2 packs of it, because it came down to like $2.50, I think it was, for the pack, 50 piece pack. And I was looking at the docket when we were in the car heading back, and my partner's like, yeah, I'm not going back for that. So that's what you get in that one. I don't know if it's because it was a BIP special, or whether they had it reduced, but yeah, so there's that. Okay, and this was on one of the end caps as reduced things. So there was the 2 pieces of vellum, and I think they were $1 each. And I got the Evergreen and Holly by Vicki Boutin, and it's just like a gold foiled vellum. And I got the Mittens and Mistletoe plaid. It's like a foil on vellum. And I love plaid so much. That was so cute. So I got that. And then, it's going to focus. The Vicki Evergreen and Holly paper pad was reduced down to, this one was $12, which I thought was a real bargain, because there are 48 sheets in here. And like I said, I couldn't find any of the ephemera packs or anything. I'm not too fussy. You can still buy, I had a quick look online. You can't buy them on Spotlight, Spotlight online, but you can buy it. You can still get the ephemera packs and things. But I was going to challenge myself, and these are double-sided too. So awesome. Challenge myself to make some of my own embellishments. I mean, look, there's tags, there's cut aparts, more tags. So, and look, it's just awesome. You could definitely make your own. Plus, I think I might design some printables. Excuse me. Design some printables. I mean, oh, I love that. To go with this collection. Oh, I like that one too. Yeah, so double-sided. Oh, the envelopes, so cute. That one's cool too. Sorry, I have to do it from this, like, on the side because, oh, I like that one too, but we don't. I live in Queensland. Don't really get snow. Yeah, so here we go, and it repeats too, so you can definitely make your own DIY embellishments. And I'll see how I go over the holidays to ooh, causing my vellum to go. So how I go over the holidays, if I can film some of me doing that. Same with this, I plan to make a few DIY embellishments from the actual paper pad, and I will possibly make myself some printables, like my own ephemera, to go with this collection as well. So, did I no, that's the front cover there. I was on the back cover. This is single-sided. And I believe I did see, like, yeah, little stamps. Oh, I like the wood grain. And like that could be fussy cut and made into embellishments. Same with the words. Same with the little icons. Fussy cut them out and easily make your own embellishments if you didn't have an embellishment pack with a certain collection that you have. See, there's cut aparts. Yeah. So, and it repeats. And make your own double page layouts if you wanted both the same coloured background. These little icons again. So yeah, that is this haul is Steph's fault. I'm blaming her, and my other piece of vellum's gone. Disappeared. I'm sorry about all the noise in the background. So that is my small haul from Spotlight, and I definitely won't be having any more videos up before Christmas. So I hope you guys all have a good one, and I'll catch you all soon. Bye.